I'm sorry. What were you saying? That's not possible. Who do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. The therapist frowned, pushing her glasses back up her nose. Don't play coy with me, Sarah. You know perfectly well who I'm speaking about. And so does your subconscious. I saw the way you reacted when the news came on last week. I didn't react. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, really? Then why did you stop taking your medication? Your symptoms have been impossible to miss. I can't make you take your medication. But I do believe that with the proper work here, we can help you. If that's going to happen, I need you to listen to me. He is real, Sarah whispered, shivering at the memory of his touch. Lawrence is real. I know you think he is. And the man himself, whoever he is, certainly is real. But whatever relationship you've created with him, that's fiction, Sarah, just like fiction in your books. You've even given your lover the name of a fictional character, Lawrence. Laurent, how can you not see that? You keep reading the same book over and over again, maybe hoping for a different outcome. The ending is always the same. Now I need you to focus on what's real. Can you do that? Dr. Robin leaned in again. What happened to that woman in the park? She asked. I don't know. Sarah shook her head again and again. I don't know her. I don't know what happened to her. The panic was uncontrollable. She felt it take hold of her. Run. You have to try and remember, Sarah. You mentioned her to me several times. I couldn't have. You did. We can play back the tapes if you need assuring, but I don't think you do. Now, please. The therapist's tone softened, but the blood pounded harder in Sarah's ears. Run. Run. You're the only one who can stop all of this. I'm stopping it right now, Sarah cried out, jolting up from her seat. She made for the door. Wait, Sarah. Dr. Robin reached out to stop her, but it was too late.